Hey guys, GTA Gaming here. Today I'm going to show you how to make the butterfly knife. I already took apart the pieces, so I hope you enjoy. Second piece fell on the floor. Okay, we're back, and I hope you enjoy. But first we have to make one of these. But in your case, you're going to make two. But I kept this one together, because the other one has the latch on it. But this one, you just need to make it without the latch. But here's how you make it. You need let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10, 11. A 1x12 with holes. But for detail, I took, wait a second. I didn't count these beforehand. A 1x8 and put it on here. Then I took a 1x4 with studs on the side and put it right there. Then I took a 2x4 tile, put it on there. And now let's actually make the design. You're gonna need a 1x3 tile, put it right there. A dark blue or a red, and with the blue, you can have red or blue with the blue. Then you need a 1x2, in either color, in whatever color you've chosen. Then a gray, a gray grill piece, 1x2, of course. Then a 1x1 cheese piece. Then a 1x2 grilled cheese piece. Then a 1x2 grill piece. Again, they made that. Sorry, I just had to wipe my nose. I'm going sick because there's dogs here today. Now you need one of these pieces, and you need where it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 holes long. Yeah, 7 holes long. Then you need one of these Technic pieces, put it on the bottom right there. Then you need one of these long Technic pieces. Then you need to put it on the top where it looks like this. Wait a second, Then you're gonna need to take this one again. Then put it right on the one head behind the first one. So this one. There we go. Now, for this, you're going to have to keep this open. You can't put these two pieces together yet. Okay, so you need to put one of those pieces right there, aka one of these. You need to take a little stick. I had a golden one laying around, so I used that. You need to put it in there with a bit coming out, like that much coming out. So we'll have to put the blade on there. Now for the blade, this is a bit more complicated. It's just a bit more. Actually, no, that's an understatement. It's a lot more complicated. So first, you need two 1x1. Then you need another kind of grill. Then you need a 1x1 grill, a 1x1 cheese. Is a tile. And you need another one too. Then you need a 1x4. Yeah. And a 1x2. Then a a 1x4 right there. Then you should have this. And with both of these, you should have made this with your cheese plate and your two 1x1 studs. Then you need to put it right there. Then you need to take another cheese plate and put right on the other side. Then you need, wait a second. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. A 9x1 whole piece. And also and a 1x8 whole piece. On your 1x8 one, you're gonna put on the bottom right here. Then your 1x9 one, you're gonna put right there on the top right there. Then you just need to put like about 5 of these just like tile pieces in whichever color you're doing it. 4 along the edge, so you should have that. Then on this back, you're gonna need a 1x2 and a 1x4 plates. Then put them on the back. Then you have finished your blade. Then you're gonna put the blade. See these two, this whole piece, yeah, this hole and this. I'm gonna have to make it where you can hear it snap in, and it's still wiggling around. Wait a second, I lost one of the pieces. Oh, I found it. Then you need another one of these. Then you need to take your other one for this. Then you need to put it in there. Then you need to squeeze it onto here, where it's like this thing. You have finished your Lego butterfly knife. Okay, now I guess I'll show you how to flip it out, how to open it and close it. So to open it, you need to have the latch go down by gravity. Yeah, then you have to flip it up like so. You need to push that forward, kind of pushing the latch out of the way if you have to. Push it up a bit. Put your thumb on the back and flip up the latch. Then you opened it. And to close it, you have to push it forwards. Make the latch go down by gravity. Then pull this up where it goes in. And just flip your latch up, then you closed it. So I want a challenge to see how quickly you can open it, then close it back up. Okay? Okay. I saw that in my butterfly knife video, so yeah. Hope you guys enjoy. I hope you guys have enough pieces to build this for yourself.